and there was one owner whose name was Shiv Charan, and his sons and daughters, his children actually. How they got stuck where? Stuck in the Uttarakhand because there was a heavy snowfall which came. So they all got stuck together, and how they got rescued by the team because of the brains of the children, especially Jia. How she managed to make those 7 snowmen, and with the help of his father and uncle. So she made these 7 snowmen, and how they all got rescued because the helicopter came, and the helicopter people saw those 7 snowmen, and they thought that there were 7 people stuck there, and that's how they got released or rescued from there. So this we'll study in the story. So this was just a small gist which I gave you. So now I'm going to read the story paragraph wise, and then I'm going to explain you all. So please follow where I'll be reading and I'll be explaining, because I'll be reading and explaining at the same time. So all of you please open your books, page number 57, and follow. 11-year-old Jia, her father Hitesh, and his brothers Akhilesh and Dinesh are on a track in the hills of Uttarakhand. The weather changes suddenly and their way gets blocked by snow. They are unable to go back and take shelter in the house of a dhaba owner named Shiv Charan. Shiv Charan and his 2 children, Om and Alka, are also trapped because of the heavy rainfall. Everyone sleeps on mattresses on the floor in the basement of Shiv Charan's dhaba. So this is a story about this girl Jia, and of course her father and her uncles, and of course Shiv Charan and his children. So this is a story about these people. So this is just in this paragraph it is telling that 11-year-old Jia was only 11-year-old, and she went on a trekking with her father, whose name was Hitesh, and her uncles, whose names were Akhilesh and Dinesh. So she went with these 3 on trekking. Where did she go? She went on trekking on the hills of Uttarakhand. They all went together. So when they went there, the weather suddenly means there were no hints. There was no hint that the weather will get changed suddenly. So just got changed. The weather suddenly got changed, and what happens? There was a heavy snowfall. Yes, you know, on hilly stations, snowfall can be like any time. So the same thing happened to Jia when she went on trekking with her father and uncles. Suddenly there was a heavy snowfall, and they all got stuck together. They all got stuck to that place, and they couldn't go back to their house. So what happened now? She and her father and her uncles, they all went and stayed in Shiv Charan's dhaba. Yes, the dhaba. Track. First of all, I just want to tell you the meaning of track, that they all went for trekking. So what is the meaning of track? Track means a long journey on foot, especially on hill stations. Yes, this journey especially takes place on hill stations when we all go on trekking, especially Shimla, Manali. These all are some trekking hilly stations, so we go for trekking right there. So they also went, Jia and her father and uncle, they also went to Uttarakhand for trekking, and they got stuck there. And they couldn't take shelter. Shelter means, you see the meaning is given. Shelter means a place that is safe from danger, rain and so on. So there was no proper shelter for them which can save them from danger or rain or snowfall. So right now there was a heavy snowfall. There was no shelter which can save them from this snowfall. Okay. But they took shelter. Where did they take shelter? They took shelter in the dhaba. Dhaba. What is the meaning of dhaba? You can see this word in red color in your book. Dhaba means a Hindi word for a roadside restaurant. So there was one restaurant there. So this restaurant was not a very sophisticated restaurant. So when we see some small restaurants, those are not sophisticated. We call them dhaba. So that's a small dhaba whose owner was Shiv Charan. So they went there to stay. They went there to protect themselves. So they all went there that dhaba. So when they went there, Shiv Charan and his 2 children. So Shiv Charan has got 2 children whose names were Om and Alka. One boy's name was Om, and the daughter's name was Alka. So Shiv Charan has got 2 children. They were also trapped. Trapped means they were also trapped means they also couldn't go back to anywhere else. So they got stuck there. So they were also trapped. That means they also got stuck because of the heavy snowfall, and everyone sleeps on mattresses. Mattresses, you know, mattresses are some thick, little thick sheets which we spread on the floor for sleeping, especially for sleeping on the floor. It has been we spread on the floors or on our beds or on our wooden beds. We spread these mattresses. So they all have spreaded mattresses, and they all are sleeping there on the floor in the basement. On the floor in the basement. Basement means, you see the meaning is given. Basement means a room below the ground. Yes. So because there was heavy snowfall, so they couldn't be on top, right? So what they decided to sleep in the basement, which is underground, so that they can be protected from the snowfall. Yes, they all went into the basement and they all spread mattresses, and they all are sleeping on the floor so that they can be protected from this heavy snowfall. Okay. So now we see what happens in the next paragraph. The next morning, everyone was still in the basement when they heard a loud rumbling noise. Achilles opened the trap door and the others followed him. But the front door wouldn't open. The snow had blocked it from outside. So, in this paragraph, next paragraph, the next morning, first day was anyhow, like it got passed like that. So now the next morning, what happened? Next morning, everyone was still in the basement. Everyone still in the basement means they all were still in the basement. They couldn't come out because of the heavy snowfall, because the snowfall didn't get finished or didn't get stopped. So it was still there. So they all were stuck in the basement only. When they heard a loud rumbling. Rumbling means deep sound, deep noise. Very loud and deep noise they could hear. Achilles opened the trap door. They could hear this noise. Achilles opened the trap door. So what is the meaning of trap door? You see the meaning is given. Trap door means a small door in the floor leading to an underground room. Yes. So there was one small door which leads to the basement because they were in the basement. So there was one door which can reach to the basement. So the main door, which is very small, the door which leads to the basement, which was closed. So now somebody was shouting that Achilles, please open the trap door. Trap door means the door which leads to the underground basement, not the main door, but the door which leads to the basement, the underground thing. Okay. Others followed him, and somebody just called Achilles. Opened the trap door, so others also followed him. Others followed him means others also started walking behind him. So, but the front door wouldn't open. They all were trying hard to open the front door, but it was not getting open. It was not opening only. They were trying hard, but it was not getting open. Maybe because of the snowfall. The snow had blocked it from outside. Now they all have understood that this door is not getting opened. Why? Because the snow has blocked everyone. Blocked us means blocked us because now we are here. So we all are blocked, and because the snow has blocked the door, and now we cannot go out. That's what they all are thinking. So now we'll see what happens next. Shivcharan pulled open a window and jumped out, and then Jia saw it. A helicopter disappearing into the horizon. They waved, shouted, screamed and ran till their feet got stuck in the snow. But it was too late. For the first time in 2 days, the group felt hopeless. Till now they had been hopeful that they would be rescued soon, but they had missed their chance. The men decided to take turns waiting outside the house if the helicopter came looking for them again. So now what happens in this paragraph? Shivcharan pulled open a window and jumped out because the door got stuck. It was not getting open. So what did Shivcharan do? Shivcharan just opened the window and he jumped out of the window because he wanted to go out. Okay. Now Jia saw it. Jia saw something. What did Jia see? Jia saw that a helicopter was passing through their way. So Jia just saw that helicopter and they all waved. They means Shivcharan, his children, and Jia, her father, and her uncles, they all started waving. When we see helicopters, we wave like this, right? So they all were in a troublesome situation. They all were in a difficult situation. So they also cried for help. They all were waving their hands, please come help us, help us. But they all were shouting, screaming means shouting, waving their hands, and ran till their too late. Too late means because the helicopter couldn't hear their sound or couldn't see them, so it went off. Yes, the helicopter went off and they were still stuck there in that place only. They were trying hard, they were running, but it was too late because the helicopter already passed it, crossed it. For the first time in 2 days, the group felt hopeless. For the first time means earlier they all were enjoying. They all came for tracking and they were enjoying happily. They were having fun. But just these, for the first time, first time it happened that after 2 days, the group felt hopeless. This whole group of so many people, like fathers, uncles, children, this group felt hopeless. Hopeless means, you see the meaning is given. Hopeless means feeling that nothing good will happen. They have lost their hope because they all were trying hard to reach out of this place, this snowfall place, but they all were stuck there and they are not getting any help. So they all are feeling very sad about it, and they all are thinking that now nothing can be done, and they all are stuck there only, and nobody can come and help them out. So they all were feeling very they all were feeling hopeless, and they all were very sad. They all were very sad. Till now, they had been hopeful that they would be rescued soon, but they had missed their chance. But they were actually trying hard. They were thinking that somebody will come and rescue them. Rescue them means take them out from that place. Rescued, you see the meaning is given. Rescued means save. That they were thinking that somebody will come and save them or take them out from that place. But till now, nobody has come. They were thinking, they were wondering, they were actually praying to God. They were doing everything. They were shouting, waving, but nobody came for their help, and they were thinking that somebody will come, but nobody came. So they all are disheartened now. They are very sad now because they had now helicopter also came, and the helicopter couldn't see them because probably helicopter was very far away. Right? It was like on top. So maybe the helicopter couldn't see the people down there. So it went off. So now they have lost all their hopes, and they are thinking now they will not be saved, and now nobody will come to save them. The men decided to take turns waiting outside the house. Turns waiting outside the house means, you see that red color line is given in your book. So that means take turns waiting means one person waits for a while, then another person takes his place and waits, and so on. So they decided to take turns because they wanted to keep a check on the helicopter. They wanted to see that when a helicopter comes, they should be awake, and then they should cry for help. So if they'll sleep all together, they could not see helicopter, and if they'll all be inside the basement or in the basement, they will not be able to hear the voice of the helicopter. They will not be able to cry for help if helicopter comes. So they all decided that one by one we'll take turns outside the house so that if helicopter comes, so that they can cry out for help, and they can call the other people also to cry for help. Right? That's what they decided. So they decided that one by one we'll sit outside and we'll watch the helicopter when it will come, and then we'll ask for the help. That's what they have decided. So yes, that's all for today. I hope you all have understood the story. Now I'm going to explain this story once again. This page actually, the next page I'm going to explain in the next video. But this page I'm going to explain once again in Hindi, just for your convenience. तो ये जो स्टोरी है, इस स्टोरी में एक पूरे ग्रुप के बारे में बताया है. इस ग्रुप में कौन कौन है? इस ग्रुप में है एक जिया नाम की लड़की है जो 11 इयर्स ओल्ड की है. वो अपने पापा के साथ, उसके पापा का नाम क्या है? हितेश. उसके पापा का नाम हितेश है. अपने पापा हितेश के साथ, और हितेश के 2 भाई और हैं जो कि उसके चाचा हैं जिया के. वो कौन है? दिनेश और अखिलेश. सो हितेश जो जिया के पापा है, अखिलेश और दिनेश जिया के चाचा हैं. तो इन तीनों के साथ जिया कहाँ आई थी? ट्रैकिंग करने. ट्रैकिंग करना, आपको ट्रैकिंग पता है आपको क्या होता है? जब बहुत ही पर्वत हिली एरिया होता है, हिली मतलब पहाड़ों वाले एरिया में, आपने देखा होगा पहाड़ वाले एरिया में लोग वो शूज, स्पोर्ट्स वाले जूते पहन के ट्रैकिंग पे नहीं जाते लकड़ी वकड़ी लेके. तो ऐसे ही वो लोग पहाड़ों पे चढ़ने के लिए गए थे, वहाँ पे घूमने गए थे. कहाँ गए थे? उत्तराखंड. तो उत्तराखंड में वो लोग सब ट्रैकिंग कर रहे थे. लेकिन क्या होता है, जब ये ट्रैकिंग कर रहे होते हैं अचानक से, सडनली लिखा हो ना, सडनली मीन्स क्या होता है? अचानक से वो जो जितना वेदर मतलब मौसम चेंज हो जाता है, मौसम बदल जाता है, और क्या होने लगती है? स्नोफॉल. आपको पता है क्या होता है? बर्फ वाली बारिश होती है, जो बर्फ पड़ने लगती है हर जगह, सब जगह बर्फ हो जाती है. इतनी ज़्यादा बर्फ हो जाती है कि हर चीज़ जमने लगती है, और एकदम बहुत सारी है ठंड, सारी रोड्स ब्लॉक हो जाती है, बंद हो जाती है। अब ये सब लोग अटक चुके हैं, अब ये लोग बाहर भी नहीं जा पा रहे, ना अपने घर पहुंच पा रहे हैं, और ना जहाँ इन्होंने अपना रेस्टोरेंट लेके रखा था, होटल लेकर रखा था, वहाँ पे भी लोग नहीं जा पा रहे। फिर ये लोग धीरे से कहाँ पहुँचते हैं, शिवचरण के ढाबे में। शिवचरण का ढाबा, ढाबा आपको पता है क्या होता है, छोटे छोटे जो रेस्टोरेंट जैसे होते हैं, ज़्यादा बड़े नहीं होते, बहुत अच्छा होटल नहीं होता है, एक छोटा सा ढाबा था शिवचरण का ढाबा, जिसका ओनर का नाम शिवचरण था, जो ये ढाबा चलाता था। उसके 2 बच्चे थे, उन 2 बच्चों का नाम क्या था, ओम और अलका। तो शिवचरण भी अपने बच्चों के साथ वहीं पे फंस गया था, क्योंकि वो भी ऊपर तो पूरी बर्फ जम गई थी, तो उसने क्या किया, इन सबको लेके ये लोग कहाँ चले गए, बेसमेंट। आपको बेसमेंट पता क्या होता है, तलघर। तलघर आपने देखा हो, कुछ कुछ घरों में घर ऊपर घर होता है, और घर के अंडरग्राउंड में मतलब नीचे भी एक तलघर बना होता है, हाँ, जहाँ पे छुपने के लिए या कुछ अपना सामान वामान रखने के लिए चीजें बनाई जाती हैं। तो ये तलघर के अंदर चले गए, एकदम बेसमेंट में चले गए, जो कि अंदर होता है, अंडरग्राउंड होता है, ऊपर नहीं होता है, अंडरग्राउंड। तो वहाँ पे ये लोग छुप गए ताकि बर्फ से इन लोग बचे रहें, क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा ठंडी पड़ गई थी और हर जगह पूरा बर्फीला एरिया हो गया था। अब ये लोग बचे हैं। अब ये लोग क्या होता है, अचानक से उनको आवाज़ सुनाई देती है, तो कोई कहता है अखिलेश ओपन द ट्रैप डोर। तो ये लोग, उनको आवाज़ सुनाई देती है कि जल्दी से हम लोग को दरवाज़ा खोलना है, लगता है कोई हेलीकॉप्टर कुछ आए। अब जैसे ही लोग बाहर जाते हैं और शिवचरण खिड़की विड़की तोड़ के बाहर निकलता है जम करके, क्योंकि दरवाज़ा तो एकदम अटक चुका था। क्या वो क्यों अटक चुका था दरवाज़ा, क्योंकि बर्फ, आपने देखा बर्फ जम जाएगी तो कैसे खुलेगा दरवाज़ा, राइट। तो इतनी ज़्यादा बर्फ जम चुकी थी कि दरवाज़ा भी नहीं खुल रहा था। अब दरवाज़ा खुल नहीं रहा है, ये सब लोग अंदर फंसे हुए हैं, तो ये लोग कैसे निकले। जल्दी से शिवचरण ने क्या किया, खिड़की तोड़ी, खिड़की खोली और कूद गया। तो उसने क्या देखा, इन लोगों ने, जिया ने क्या देखा, पहले जिया ने देखा कि हेलीकॉप्टर जा रहा है। अब जैसे जिया देखती है हेलीकॉप्टर जा रहा है, सब लोग क्या करते हैं, चिल्लाने लगते हैं, बचाओ बचाओ, ऐसे लोग हाथ दिखा रहे हैं, वो लोग इतने दिखा रहे हैं कि प्लीज हमें ले चलो, प्लीज हमें निकाल लो यहाँ से। लेकिन क्या हो रहा है, हेलीकॉप्टर में जो भी था कोई सुन ही नहीं पा रहा है, क्योंकि हेलीकॉप्टर इतना ऊंचा चल रहा होगा, तो उसको ये शायद ये छोटे छोटे से दिख नहीं रहे होंगे, और ऊपर से बर्फ भी गिर रही है, तो उनको कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा होगा। ये लोग चिल्ला रहे हैं, दौड़ रहे हैं बर्फ में, उनके पैर जम रहे हैं बर्फ में, लेकिन फिर भी बेचारे ये लोग हेल्प मांग रहे हैं, मदद मांग रहे हैं, हेलीकॉप्टर को चिल्ला रहे हैं, लेकिन हेलीकॉप्टर उन्हें नहीं देख पा रहा। अब हेलीकॉप्टर नहीं देख पा रहा, वो हेलीकॉप्टर पे क्या होता है, चला जाता है। अब ये लोग बहुत दुखी हो जाते हैं। 2 दिन में पहली बार ऐसा हुआ है कि ये लोग इतने दुखी हैं कि इन लोगों को लग रहा है कि अब इनका कुछ नहीं हो सकता, कोई इनकी मदद नहीं कर सकता, क्योंकि हेलीकॉप्टर इतना ऊंचा चल रहा है, उनकी आवाज़ ही नहीं सुन पा रहा है, तो वो उनकी मदद कैसे करेगा। तो ये लोग बहुत दुखी हो जाते हैं। तो ये लोग सोचते हैं कि चलो कोई बात नहीं, अब हम लोग ऐसा करेंगे कि ये चांस तो हमसे मिस हो गया, ये चांस तो चला गया, अब अगली बार अगर हेलीकॉप्टर आएगा तो हम लोग को ऐसा करना होगा कि हम लोग को एक एक करके बाहर बैठ के हेलीकॉप्टर को देखना होगा, क्योंकि अगर ये अचानक आएगा और चला जाएगा तो हम लोग से ये भी चांस मिस हो जाएगा, ये भी चला जाएगा, फिर हम लोग बाहर नहीं निकल पाएंगे। तो ये लोग कहते हैं ठीक है, तुम सब लोग अंदर चलो बेसमेंट में, वही तलघर में। हम लोग क्या करते हैं, एक एक करके ये लोग सब लोग एक एक करके बाहर बैठेंगे, और जैसे ही हेलीकॉप्टर आएगा तो सबको बुलाएंगे, ताकि हेलीकॉप्टर को चिल्ला के ये लोग मदद ले सके। ये इन लोगों ने डिसाइड किया। सो यस, दिस वाज द स्टोरी। आई होप यू ऑल हैव अंडरस्टूड because I have explained both in English and Hindi. Actually, just the first page. It was the story of the first page. The next page I am going to explain in the next video. But for today, only this much is there. So please learn the word meanings of the first page. Only first page, not the second page. So learn the word meanings of the first page, which are given in your books also, and I have written on the board also. So if you cannot see from the board, you can see from your book the word meanings which are given on page number 57. So please learn them. And the dictation words I am going to give in the next video. So yes, that's all for today.